It's day 10. Santa's on his way. He's loading up that sleigh. He doesn't need to actually, because I've got all the presents wrapped here, so I've saved him a bit of time this year. This is my favourite wrap. This one is so pretty. So this is the 4 petal flower wrap, and this is perfect for boxes. So I'm going to wrap this box. These were really, really cheap. I think I got about 12 for less than £5. They're just nylon pieces of fabric. I mean, these are hemmed, but you don't even need them hemmed for this one. So I've chosen 2 colours that I really like, because if you have 2 together, you're going to get that lovely sort of iridescent sort of shot silk effect. You can just buy squares of this and just use the squares. It doesn't need to be hemmed at all. So I'm going to lay this down in the usual position. We're going to go square this time, and I'm going to put my box in the middle like so. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to pull up the sides till they're to the top, and I'm just going to pull all 4 sides up to the top. So make sure your box is centered. If you just drop it like that, you'll center it. And we're going to pull it to, I want to get all of this nice and neat. And you see it's lovely with a dual colour. It's so pretty. And we are going to use an elastic band for this one. We need an elastic band for this one. You can't really do this one without the band. So we're going to put 1, 2, 3. I'm going to do 4 because it's quite a big elastic band. You can use a hair bubble. You can use anything you want for this bit. But it does have to be elastic because we need to tuck things into this one. So actually, I'm going to give that one more go. I'll feel safe then. Oh, those colours are gorgeous. And then what we're going to do is we're just going to pull that out so that the elastic band goes really nice and tight. Look at those colours, are fabulous. All you're going to do now, believe it or not, is you're going to take one of the corners, so it's 2 pieces. You're going to take it down to your elastic band, and you're literally going to tuck it into the elastic band. Part 1. Spin it round, take your petal, take it to the bottom. So if you want to, if you spun that round there, you can get a different colour on the top. You're going to take it down, you're going to take it down to your elastic band again. It doesn't always have to go through the same loop. You can go through any loop you want it to go through. And you're going to pull that through, and you're going to put that there, and you're just going to continue round. So we've got this one next. You're going to take it, make a loop. And again, remember, we tidy things up when we get to the end. I'm going to choose a different loop this time, just so it tightens everything up. And you're going to pull it through. And then we're going to come to the last one. And you're going to do exactly the same thing again. Make a loop, take the 2 ends, pop them through your elastic band, if you can get hold of it, pull through. So these are your leaves. That's the centre of your flower, so you can have that as small or as big as you want. And doesn't that look amazing? If that's just that, you can do that with, it doesn't have to be a square box. It could be a box of chocolates. It can be absolutely anything you want. It can be an engagement ring if you want to be really special at Christmas. I never got an engagement ring. We just went straight to marry. But I've been married 37 years now, so I think we're all right. So as you can see, that's gorgeous. What you can do in this section here, if you want to, you can take, what have I got? What can I add in there? I want something pretty. I like gold. So I'm going to add that one in. So if you just take a few pieces of flowers, because that's an elastic band in the middle, you can actually add things into the middle and it tucks into the elastic band. Or just if you've got something like a big pearl or, you know, a big diamante cabochon stone, something like that. Or you can put natural flowers in there, whatever you feel like. So I'm just going to tear that off there. I'm going to fold that in half. Add that into there. Find the hole, tuck that in there, tuck that to the top, and you got the most fabulous box wrap. We're getting closer. We've got loads more projects coming soon. Subscribe so you don't miss them.